You probably know that watching videos online can be entertaining and even educational. What you might not know is that watching videos online can also be profitable. That's right, with the popularity of online video continuing to soar, there's now an abundance of websites that pay users to watch videos. Fortunately, these sites don't have strict rules for signing up and don't need any kind of investment to start earning money. So in this video, I will introduce you to 6 most trustworthy websites that actually pay you to watch videos. You may not get rich from these websites, but they are a great way to generate some pocket money while doing a job you already enjoy. But before we get started, do comment the name of your country down below so that I will be able to come up with more geo-targeted videos which work specifically for you. And now, without wasting more time, let's dive into our video, starting with number 6, Earnably. Earnably is a website that lets you make money from home by watching videos and answering surveys. Earnably offers a points-based structure that pays you for the time spent on different tasks. You get points for completing each task and can redeem those points via PayPal or Amazon gift cards. To start earning, just sign up and you can select offers for different points. Payment varies from task to task, but it usually ranges between $50 to $100 monthly for usual activities, and the minimum payout is $1. Earnably offers a referral bonus for life, and you can earn 10% commissions on your referral earnings and other paid incentives. Number 5. MyPoints. For watching movies, completing surveys, and playing games, MyPoints rewards you with points. You can exchange your points for free gift cards, PayPal cash, and even travel rewards. Given the diversity of ways there are to earn on the platform, most users can easily reach the site's minimum withdrawal depending on the option they select. Unfortunately, Daily Scoop is only compatible with smartphones, and some reviews claim that it occasionally lacks a complete selection of videos. MyPoints also offers you a small welcome bonus of a $10 gift card for joining their website. Number 4. Inbox Dollars. For watching stuff like television shows, movie trailers, cookery advertisements, and more, Inbox Dollars offers you money. You may also get extra money by participating in online surveys, reading emails, and using their cashback shopping portal. As soon as you register and activate your account, you'll receive a bonus of $5. When it comes to surveys, the monetary reward you get for participating can be pretty substantial. Some will pay you $10, $20, or even more when you match the target demographic they are looking for. Inbox Dollar pays you through PayPal, and you can also redeem Amazon gift cards as well. This website pays every Wednesday. Number 3. iRazoo. iRazoo is a website that lets you earn rewards for various activities, such as watching adverts, answering surveys, and playing games. You can also watch short video content like cooking tutorials, app commercials, movie trailers, and earn more points. This website claims to daily update its video inventory, which could offer additional opportunities to consistently earn money. Be advised that new accounts may take up to 3 months to get their first PayPal payment. The minimum withdrawal is 3,000 points for a $5 PayPal transfer and 12,000 points for $20 and 30,000 points for $50 PayPal transfer. Number 2. GrabPoints. The site pays its users for online tasks, including taking surveys, watching movies, taking offers, and other straightforward activities. Although most average users can typically earn around $50 per month by spending an hour per day on GrabPoints, some users have claimed to be able to earn up to $400 per month by completing various online tasks like filling out surveys, watching videos, completing offers, and other activities. Each survey takes 10 to 15 minutes to complete, so you may make up to $6 per hour by only taking surveys. There are 9 ways to cash out your earnings, including PayPal gift cards and 8 online retailers like Amazon and Steam. You need $3 in earnings, which you may generate in under an hour to request a withdrawal. Payout turnaround is quick. All withdrawal requests are handled within 48 hours, among the quickest in the business. And at number 1, we have Swagbucks. Because of its versatility, Swagbucks is one of my favorite websites. With over $450 million in rewards paid out, Swagbucks is among the biggest reward sites available. Gift cards from well-known companies like Amazon, Target, and Walmart, as well as actual money transferred to your PayPal account, are available as payment alternatives. You can choose a video from a variety of categories, including entertainment, travel, and more. You can earn money on the website by participating in online surveys, shopping for cashback, and a whole lot more. Due to the multitude of opportunities to earn, the cheap minimum cash out, the high caliber of its online video content, and its strong reputation, Swagbucks easily takes the top spot on our list. With Swagbucks, you will receive a specific number of points for each activity you finish. Every time you complete a task, you will get Swagbucks or SB points. 1 SB equals 1 cent, which means that when you make 100 SB points, you make $1. You can swap these points for gift cards or PayPal transfers directly to your account. Additionally, Swagbucks has a fantastic referral scheme. A $10 welcome bonus is also available from Swagbucks. This program surely offers one of the greater payouts for internet video watching. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and do mention if you have used any of these websites and share your experience with others. Trust me, helping others is all it takes you to be successful. Do comment if you have any queries or interesting ideas, and don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos. because as promised, I will be sharing some in-depth tutorials to make money online, and trust me, you don't want to miss them.